Learn how to make delicious white buttercream icing for your cake without white food color with this easy to follow recipe. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process of creating a creamy, sweet and fluffy white buttercream icing that is perfect for decorating cakes, cupcakes, cookies and so on. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced baker, this recipe is sure to become a staple in your baking arsenal. So let's get started and make some delicious white buttercream icing.
Hello everyone, welcome
for your
again
next
to my channel and thanks for stopping by here. Do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, share for more healthy and active recipe ideas.
Kindly check out our description box for the full recipe. Let us begin. Let's measure our white butter. White butter, it is also known as shortening or shortener. It can also be called mahan. It is a natural unprocessed version of butter and it contains healthy fat. This time we are not using the common yellow butter, but we are using the white butter instead, or shortener. Mix this with your stick if you don't have a hand mixer. If you have your rolling stick, you can use it to mix this up very well. You will also achieve the same consistency. This white butter, otherwise known as shortening, can also be used in most doughs and baters to impact crispy and crumbly texture to baked goods. So you can also want to try this out on your baked products like your meat pie and so on. It can also be used for cooking as well. Now let's go in with our measured icing sugar. We'll go in batch by batch. This white butter is not sweet. If you lick it alone, you will find out that it is not sweet at all. So you can see the reason why it is very healthy, since you're combining it with icing sugar, which is the sweeter one. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and join our wonderful community where we learn each and every day and we advance together. You can also get permanent access to my recipe cookbook, another ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, cooking and so on. Check out the description box below to see how you can access them now. And then vanilla extract to add some flavor to our buttercream. Next, we go in with heavy cream or milk, and we will add some salt to this recipe. The little salt we added is going to enhance the taste of the buttercream. And there you can see how firm it looks. You can see just the way it is. It is not going to fall at all. It will stand firm like that. After icing it on your cake as well, it will stand firm on your cake without falling. Smooth and fluffy. So let's give it a final mixing. The super perfect white buttercream icing. It is perfect for your cake decoration, just like that. Birthday cake, wedding cake. It is perfect for your cookies, cupcakes, and so on. Our online training is still ongoing for those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking, and all recipes game. Also check out our description box below, or now you can get access now. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below, and what video would you like to see right here on the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Do share your thoughts in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. We drop new video every week, so stay tuned for more delightful and tasty creation. See you in our next video.